Newborns, also called neonates, are observed closely in the first few hours of life. Immediately after birth, a medical team quickly checks the baby's vital signs, alertness, and overall health. Supplemental oxygen and other emergency care are provided if the baby has breathing difficulties. Perinatal asphyxia is an important preventable cause of neonatal mortality and morbidity and contributes around 20% of neonatal mortality. Neonatal Resuscitation Program is the most effective tool to reduce perinatal asphyxia. NRP is a standardized, structured program which brings in updated, evidence-based approach to care of the newborn at birth and facilitates effective team-based care for healthcare professionals who care for newborns at the time of delivery. Indian Academy of Pediatrics and National Neonatology Forum are aiming at one NRP-trained personnel at all deliveries through IAP, NNF, NRP, FGM program. Chettinad Simulation and Skill Center, located at the Chettinad Academy of Research and Education at Deemed University, offers Neonatal Resuscitation Program for healthcare professionals who participate in the care of newborn. With more than 200 individual task trainers and high-fidelity mannequins, the 15,000 square feet CSSC has a fully equipped operation theatre, labour room, medical ICU, surgical ICU, cardiac ICU, neonatal and pediatric intensive care unit to give the faculty and students a real-life simulation experience for medical, nursing, dental and allied health science training. NRP is conducted by experienced instructors with hands-on case-based simulation and debriefing that focus on critical leadership, communication and teamwork skills. NRP aims at educating the learners at preparation for delivery and care at birth, steps to provide effective positive pressure ventilation, positive pressure ventilation via endotracheal tube, neonatal resuscitation and providing effective chest compressions. Some special considerations including vascular access and drugs administration, preterm resuscitation, ICD insertion in pneumothorax. NRP programs are offered at basic and advanced levels and certifications are provided under various affiliations. Indian Academy of Pediatrics and National Neonatology Forum certified basic and advanced NRP courses. American Heart Association accredited NRP course. Chettinad Academy of Research and Education certified basic and advanced NRP courses. Contact us now.